Hi, yo, RIP to OTF Hella Bands, be leaving my group. Nigga claim he on that EBK shiz and all that, yo. Like, like he wanna get in, say AK, like we here, yo. That OMF kinda failed, you feel me? Like we were out there, bro, but, Mastermind, these niggas wanna be popping off, so I don't do that shit, but I'm gonna still be using this YouTube, you feel me? But, like, Hella Bands don't want it. We already got your fucking, well, I'll give you the link of the YouTube. I'll give you the YouTube channel in the description. I've already killed that nigga in fucking VC. Like, he said cam up. Came in VC without a cam, yo. So, you know, I guess he can start talking that crap because he just left Groove channel. And I can come in time to record the roast. But, yeah. See, he ain't Group anymore. Alright, yo. I'm out here, boy. Like, hey, up, my nigga. We're back. That's what it is. We don't do the unknowns, yo.